Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the app version and platform because mismatches cause crashes. Once done, run Google Earth Pro as administrator to rule out permission blocks. Make sure you are not on a beta build. Next, update your graphics drivers. Drivers are the common culprit, so install the latest from the vendor and restart. If your laptop switches GPUs, force the dedicated GPU for Earth Pro, since integrated drivers often fail. These steps prepare the system for targeted fixes and reduce noise. Once the system is prepared, clear the Google Earth cache and KML cache to eliminate corrupted tiles or files, then reset settings to default so custom options aren't hiding problems. Enable detailed logging in the application and reproduce the error, because logs reveal OpenGL, shader, or plugin failures. Inspect lines with GL errors or exceptions. If you see runtime DLL errors, repair or reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables and the NET framework, since missing runtimes commonly break. To finish, perform a clean reinstall. Uninstall Google Earth Pro, remove leftover program and user data folders, then install the latest stable build. This removes corrupted binaries and bad prefs. Next, test using a new user profile and enable safe mode or software rendering to isolate GPU problems. If issues persist, gather the detailed logs and GPU details, try rolling back to a known good driver, and report the packet. This troubleshooting package helps support or forums diagnose persistent crashes quickly and effectively.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.